Hi friends, today I'll be going to show you how to install hazard lights on your Honda Activa. So let's get started. So here are the things that we will need: an aftermarket indicator flasher of company like Shree, Minda or Swiss, a push-pull switch, electrical tape, 1 meter long 1 mm thick wire, one wire plier, wire cutter, a screwdriver kit and a solder for making hole. So first of all, open these nuts of the front panel. Now open this nut which is connected to the handle. Now after removing the front part, on the left or the right side of the battery, depending on your Activa model, you can see there a fuse box in which here's the fuse part, the self start relay, and here will be your old flasher. So take the new one. First of all, remove the old flasher, take the new one and put in it. Put this back and take the cap and cover it. Now take the 1 meter wire and make it in two parts. Make sure that the one end of both the wires is a little long, around 1.5 inches or 1 inches, and the other part is short. So now after changing the flasher, take this headlight part down, and here are the two indicators. The red wire is positive one, so remove this. Take the long part of the electrical wire, put it in it and fold it. Plug it properly, and now come to the second one. In this, the light green wire which is connected to the big part here is the positive one. Now take the long part, put this in it, take it back and insert it. First of all, connect the solder to the electrical supply and let it heat. Meanwhile, take the switch. First of all, remove the handle, then remove these two nuts. Take the hot end solder and near the choke coil, make a hole with it. The hole should be a little big. Put it away. Now take the back part of the switch, put it here. Take the nut. Remove this extra melted plastic. Now take the small screwdriver and these two wires, install these into the switch like this. The other one. Tight it. You can see that the switch is installed properly. And now just pack the things up. Now after packing up, install this part of the switch. Now turn on the key. I just switch on left indicator, this is right indicator. Now when you pull the switch, both the indicators are working. and your hazard lights on the Honda Activa are ready. The total cost of the project was around ₹100, and if you have any queries or suggestions, please comment down below. Do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.